You guys, the prices for this sneaker is something that I honestly never even imagined I would see them be this low. But this right here is definitely great for the people that really want this sneaker, because some of these sizes are going for under retail. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. I like switch. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with raw, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell that we get all the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at therealhegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfectbrimz, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. And make sure you guys are checking out the new channel Tech with Forrest. You guys, today's video, what we are talking about is a pair of shoes that I honestly never thought that I would see the prices be this low. But before you guys we get into that, I want to unbox a shoe for you guys really quick. It's a double up and everything. We already know what we're probably talking about and everything like that. But want to give another shout out to my guy Drama the Manager. Got a great price from him. Couldn't really pass up the deal for the double up on this one. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get into this shoe. All right, you guys, got the box right here. And once again, shout out to my guy Drama the Manager. He 100% always gives me really good prices and everything. I appreciate the business as always. Again, it's kind of crazy how long me and him have been doing business. I think honestly, I think I got my first early pair of sneakers where I moved to Louisville, Kentucky. So it's like 7 years now. Kind of crazy. So definitely shout out to him as always. And of course, as you guys can see right here, you guys do have the face box. We are going to open it up together on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And of course, you guys, we're talking about the Air Jordan 3 True Blue, released in July 18th. Definitely a sneaker that I know a lot of us want. One that I knew I was going to double up on from the beginning, so I went ahead, got mine out of the way. If you guys need any pairs come release day, if just so happen they sell out, let me know. I'll check my local area for you as well. But let me know in the comment section down below if the True Blue 3s are going to be a cop or a drop for you. But you guys, today's video, what we are talking about, of course, is a pair of sneakers that honestly, I will always say probably will be in running for sneaker of the year this year, because to me, it's just that nice. It really is. I love this sneaker. I love the person that it's collabed with. And here lately, whenever we're looking at sneaker of the years, it's usually been a collab anyways. So I'm just kind of waiting to see what it kind of comes up with the rest of the year. You know, we have like the Wings 13s and stuff like that coming out as well. Maybe those will make the cut. Or of course you have the Virgil Ablohs. But to me, this one right here is always probably going to be in that top 2 or 3 at minimum for this year. And of course, you guys, we're talking about Air Jordan 4 brick after brick. This sneaker right here, again, I love this shoe. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I think the quality's great. Again, some people may not like it. You know, again, not every shoe's for everybody. In my personal opinion, I think this is a great one. I think this definitely deserves to at least be top 3 for sure, in my opinion. And again, always just my opinion. But I never thought that I would see the prices be this low, because this is something I never expected to see, the prices for this sneaker be this low. This is definitely one, again, I think should be at the top of the list for sneaker of the year. And regardless, I think that it should have probably held value just a little bit better than what it has. But you actually have a lowest ask on StockX right now currently. It's, again, nuts to me. You have a lowest ask of 200, which is a size 4 men's, which is very small, but a size 10 is 249. And if you guys remember, retail for these was 230. And if you hit, you have taxes, you have shipping, because most of the places that you got them from was either sneakers where you had free shipping, or you hit off Nigel's website, or you also hit off of any other boutique, and they all had ridiculously high shipping for whatever reason. Now, once you get to the bigger sizes, you have a size 11.5 at $294, a 12 is $300, a 13 is $323. But anything below that 11.5 is under $300, and below a 9 is under retail. That's absolutely insane for me. Something that, again, I never would have expected, never would have thought about seeing, because it's just one of those sneakers I thought was absolutely great, and the quality was great, the hype was great, of course the marketing was definitely great on it. I think what ended up hurting it was once these actually hit, whenever it was the early market and everything, once they actually hit that early market, I think everybody started just dumping them because the bids were so high. And again, my fault, I did it to myself too, but I do think some of that was a major issue and what caused this to, of course, go way down. Again, I think it's a great shoe. I think it should be running for sneaker of the year. Will it get it? Probably not. Virgil 1 will probably get it, in my opinion, because, well, it's the Virgil. But a lot of people will say this is a plain shoe. The Virgil is as well. It's just kind of a personal preference. What do you prefer over both sneakers? Me, I'm going to wear a Jordan 4 the most, so I'm going to put this above the Virgils, in my opinion. Because again, if I'm going to wear it the most, that's what we're going to go with. Again, the Virgil one, though, is still top 3, and I don't think it's 3. It's probably 2. But that's just my opinion. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think is going to be the top 3 sneakers of the year. I'm genuinely curious because, again, this is one that I think is definitely worthy of that sneaker of the year title. Will it get it? I don't know. We'll see probably October 3rd whenever we have Complex Con and everybody starts putting out their lists and stuff like that. So we will see. It's something that I'm looking forward to seeing, but who knows? Again, it's all really preferences. It's what other people really want to see. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know in the comment section down below as well. Again, let me know if the True Blue 3 is going to be a pickup or a drop for you guys. At the end of the day, hope you guys have a great rest of your guys' week, and I'll see you guys later in tomorrow's video. I love y'all. Thank you guys absolutely for everything. Stay tuned on the Check channel as well. Love y'all. Peace.